Hey, this is Connor at Jason Dietsch Trailer Sales. Today we have a 36-foot United 3-car stacker. This is our front tongue storage compartment. It's got a 12K diesel Onan generator in it, a barred mini split, and then an air compressor up top. This trailer actually has a false front wall, and that's where they put their hydraulic jacks and some extra storage. Here's another little storage compartment here you can access from the outside and underneath the cabinet and the inside of the trailer. Double door with windows, slide out step, and then we're standing underneath the full awning. These are a 14-foot and a 20-foot Thule awning. We got triple 8K axles, 17.5 wheels, exterior lighting package, speakers, great entertainment area. Pull your cars underneath it, work on them, do whatever you need to do. A 4-foot extended ramp flap. Into the Stinger lift with recessed wall post. Got an escape hatch right here on this side. Wheel well cabinets on the right hand side, your escape door on the other. Then you got all kinds of cabinets in here. So these are double engine bays. Up top you just have some shelving. And these can kind of be customized however you need them to be. Got 2 C-Tech tool cabinets, and then your car platform up top, and then you can service it obviously through this opening here. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Give us a call. Check out our website. We'd love to sell you your next trailer.